Hello again, everybody, and welcome back to Introduction to Business 30, Achieving World-Class Operations Management. These are the instructions that I want you to follow for assignment number 1. Now, assignment number 1 is a great example of using inputs and outputs and being able to explore information based on those inputs and outputs and be able to make decisions that are sound, effective, and reasonable. You recall from our earlier discussion of operations management, we've been looking at how organizations use inputs and transform them into outputs, and from that creating decisions that are obviously meeting the needs of clients and customers. The tasks of looking at inputs, using data to make proper decisions, and creating outputs that are of value to your customers or clients is the core of effective operations management. So what I want you to do is read through the 2-page case study. It's military plane armor plating. I need to let you know that the data in that case study is entirely fictitious. I made it all up. But the case study is actually based on a real-life set of incidents that occurred several decades ago. Your submitted assignment should be no more than 2 double-spaced pages, and in those assignments, please use 12-point Times Roman font and leave 1-inch margins in your assignments. In your assignments, I want you to cover 2 particular aspects. Number 1, if you were to look at all of those sections, and again in the case study it'll have data presented on 6 different sections of the airplane, which section, A through F, would you recommend be the first candidate for armor plating? Now you might think maybe we'll go with, put armor plating on the entire plane. But I want you to think of which section would be the first candidate. What would be your highest priority to put armor plating on first? So if you think it's A, then simply say you would go with A first. But part B, what I want you to do there is to explore why you would make the recommendation. Provide some rationale, some reasons. Why would you decide that particular approach? Why would you make that particular recommendation? What is there about the section you chose that makes it the prime first candidate for armor plating? Again, good luck with the assignment. This is the core of operations management. You've got some input data in front of you. You've got an output that you want to have, which is far fewer planes being shot down. What I want you to do is use the information presented in front of you, and from that information, make sound and reasonable decisions. Good luck.